Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Puput Joginoviana Albar. My student number is 041324111014. I'm a student of Teknologi Hasil Pertanian in the Faculty of Pertanian at Cairo University. For my final English assessment this semester, I will be presenting on a topic titled Aquaponics, a sustainable approach to agriculture. Writer by Mofladi Isaev, Timur Kalifovic Gagujokov, and Diana Ibragimovna Tepieva. Now let's move on the main points of my presentation. Let's go. Introduction. The purpose of the article explains that aquaponics will look into the new approach that is a promising one in the food industry. It is also important to notice that this approach is not the only one to introduce positive outcomes in agriculture sector. This approach is aquaponics. This method occurred a few decades ago as any other innovative solution. This one has its advantages and disadvantages that can be solved through care and improvement. Background aquaponics is a symbiotic approach that involves three main components: fish, plants, and bacteria. These three components work together in a mutually beneficial system that minimizes waste and the use of essential elements such as water and soil. This approach is considered more environmentally friendly than many other traditional practices. Methodology. This article uses qualitative method. It often uses analysis and description and relies on theory to guide the research. Those methods used in this article because explained by descriptive analysis, not explained with number, about advantages and disadvantages of aquaponic technique. Result. The results obtained from this article have three explanations. The first is the advantages of the technique. This method presents more eco-friendly ways for cultivating different crops using minimum resources and having similar minimum effect and environment. One of the main aspects of this technique is water usage. Due to different factors such as drought, chemical contamination, and lack of access to water becomes economic issues, and this approach solves this issue too. The second is disadvantages of the method, which explains several disadvantages of the aquaponic technique, including cost-related issues, complexity of the structure, requirement for diverse scale, system vulnerabilities, plan limitation. And the third is future application. If this technique is about to be used in the future, there must be some rearrangement put in. Conclusion. The following article was done to illustrate new practices that are eco-friendlier to our environment and can be adopted to fulfill the modern needs in agriculture sector. Aquaponics is a technique that provides farmers with more options to be catch. This will look into what is aquaponics and why it is important to implement these kind of methods in today's challenging time. Some of the common advantages of the technique were also covered, as well as drawbacks that this technique lacks. At the end, future application of the technique were discussed. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this presentation was helpful and gave you a new perspective on the topics. Once again, thank you and have a great day.